Most contractors think GPS tracking is just about knowing where workers are. That is where most people get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Workyard is not just a location tracking tool. In 2026, it has become a full workforce productivity and job costing system for contractors who want tighter control over field operations. In this video, you'll learn how Workyard actually works, what it does well, where it struggles, and whether it is worth using for your construction business. Let's start with the core idea. Workyard is designed for contractors who manage mobile teams. A project manager, like Alex, can track where workers are during the day, see how much time they spend on each job, and connect that data directly to payroll or job costing. Now here's where it gets interesting. Workyard uses GPS-based time tracking, which means employees clock in and out based on their actual location, not just manual entries. But here's the problem. Many contractors assume this is only about surveillance. In reality, it is more about accuracy and job costing than monitoring people. So what does Workyard actually do in practice? First, GPS time tracking. A field worker like Jake can clock in when arriving at a job site, and the system automatically records location, time, and duration. This reduces time theft and manual errors. Second, job costing. Every hour worked can be assigned to a specific project. This helps contractors understand exactly where labor costs are going, which is critical for profitability. Third, scheduling and dispatching. Managers can assign jobs to crews and see who is available in real time. This reduces downtime and confusion between jobs. Now here's something most people miss. Workyard is not trying to replace full construction management platforms. It focuses specifically on field workforce tracking and productivity. So how accurate is it? In most real-world construction environments, GPS tracking works well, but it is not perfect indoors or in areas with weak signals. That is something contractors need to be aware of. Now let's talk about who it is actually for. If you are running a small crew doing residential work, Workyard can give you clearer visibility into labor hours and help you stop revenue leaks from inaccurate time tracking. If you are managing larger teams across multiple sites, it becomes even more valuable because it reduces guesswork in scheduling and payroll. But if your business does not struggle with time tracking or job costing issues, then Workyard may feel like an unnecessary layer of control. Now, here's the key insight. The real value of Workyard is not GPS tracking. It is turning field activity into financial data you can actually use to improve margins. The biggest mistake contractors make is thinking they only need tracking when they actually need better cost visibility. So the takeaway is simple. Workyard is best for contractors who want to connect workforce activity directly to profitability. If this helped you understand it better, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software breakdowns like this.